Good morning, class 6. Today we will do left one question in exercise 6. Okay, so we will do 11 third. So in 11 third, so first one bracket we have 4 upon 9 minus 3 upon 11. Okay, into next one bracket 2 3 upon 4 plus 3 2 upon 3. Okay, so first we will solve first one bracket values and then second one bracket value, and then we will multiply the values. Okay, so in first bracket we and denominator we have 9 and 11. Okay, so LCM of 9 and 11 is 99. So in first one we will multiply by 11 in both side, and second one we will multiply by 9. So 11 4s are 44 and 9 3s are 27. So 44 minus 27. Then we'll subtract the value 17 upon 99. Okay, and then we will solve second bracket values. So first we'll put the value in improper fraction. So 11 upon 4 plus 11 upon 3. Okay, and then we'll take the LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So in first one we will multiply by 3, and second one we will multiply by 4. So 11 3s are 33 and 11 4s are 44. So 33 plus 44 is 77. 77 upon 12. Okay, so 17 upon 99 into 77 upon 12. So 99 and 77, we will cut this value by 11. So 11 9s are 99, 11 7s are 77. Okay, now we can't cut the values, then we multiply the value. So 17 into 7 and 9 into 12. So 17 into 7 is 119 and 9 into 12 is 108. Okay, so 119 upon 108 is your answer, and this is a mixed fraction. Okay, so next we will do question 2 second. 13 1 upon 3 minus 12 1 upon 2 1 upon 2. Okay, and then bracket close, divide 5 upon 6. Okay, so curly bracket close into 3 upon 8. So first we will solve a small bracket values. So in a small bracket value, first we'll put the value in an improper fraction, and then we'll take the LCM. So 40 upon 3 plus 25 upon 2. Okay, so we'll take the LCM. So LCM is 6. So 42 is 80 and 25 into 3 75. Okay, so 80 minus 75 is 80 minus 75 is 5 upon 6. So now we can remove a small bracket. Then we have curly bracket 5 upon 6 divide 5 upon 6. So when divide sign is here, divide sign change into multiply sign, value will be reciprocal. Okay, so 5 upon 6 into 6 upon 5. So 6 and 6 will be cancelled, 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So remaining is 1. But after curly bracket we have 3 upon 8. Okay, so 1 into 3 upon 8 is 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 is your answer. Next we will do 13 first. So 3 1 upon 3 of 1 upon 2 plus 2 divide. Okay, big bracket 2 into curly bracket 2 minus and a small bracket 2 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, so small curly and big bracket will be closed. So 3 into 3 plus 1 is 10 upon 3. Okay, of means multiply. So first we will solve of one value 1 upon 2. So 2 5 are 10. Okay, so 5 upon 3, and then we'll write other one value as it is, and plus 2 divide small big bracket 2 into curly bracket 2 minus. Okay, then we'll solve this small bracket value. So we'll take the LCM. So 2 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, so after solving this we will get this one value 2 minus 9 upon 5. So then we will solve big bracket value. Okay, so 2 minus 9 upon 5 is 1 upon 5, and then so before the bracket we have to multiply. Okay, so we'll multiply the value. So 5 upon 3 plus 2 divide in bracket 2 into 1 upon 5. So 2 into 1 upon 5 is 2 upon 5. Okay, then we'll remove the bracket. So 5 upon 3 plus 2 divide 2 upon 5. So divide sign change into multiply sign, and value will be reciprocal, so it will become 5 upon 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So now we have 5.3 plus 5. Okay, and then you can also write 5 is 5 upon 1, and then we'll take the LCM of 3 and 1. Okay, so the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. Okay, so then we'll solve this value. So it's 20 upon 3. Okay, so 20 upon 3 is your answer, and you can also write this value in mixed fraction. So in mixed fraction, this is 6 2 upon 3. Class 6, in exercise 6, left one question is your homework. Complete your homework. When school will reopen, I will check your homework.